Climb inside the 2019 Ram 1500. A durable pickup truck seating as many as 6 occupants with ease. It features an automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine.
It all starts at the exterior. Attractive alloy wheels furnish the fenders with style and sporty flair. The spacious cabin provides ample passenger volume. You'll notice that the headroom and legroom make even the longest drives enjoyable. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as power front seats, a rear step bumper, heated and ventilated seats, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily.
Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. The 2019 Ram 1500. Versatility redefined.